Hello everyone, my name is Marian Lepmetz, founder and CEO of SoftComply, and today I will be walking you through a high-level overview of our Risk Manager Plus app. Risk Manager Plus app is one of the most comprehensive risk management solutions on the Atlassian marketplace. It is built entirely on Jira, allowing your Atlassian users to stay in the tools they use every day. Designed to accommodate the needs of product safety and security in regulated industries like medtech and pharma, the tool comes with built-in templates to support many of the most well-known compliance standards, such as ISO 27001, SOC 2, ISO 14971, and NIST. But it is flexible enough to provide a solution for newly emerging regulated industries, be it SaaS, retail and e-commerce, transportation and logistics, or even gaming. With a worldwide push to cloud, new cybersecurity threats surfacing daily, and increased demand for organizations to maintain operational discipline, implementing an effective risk management system has never been more important. And the first step in deploying any risk management system is defining your risk models. This will typically be determined by the industry that you work in and the compliance requirements that you have to adhere to. Risk Manager Plus will allow you to create your own either 2D or 3D risk matrices or a risk score-based risk model. You can use our built-in templates for the most common standards, or you can build your own. When you select a model type, you can add your risk iterations, how many times the risk is assessed. You can add 10 risk characteristics, and you can also choose your custom risk score formula. By default, it is always multiplication, but you can also do average, maximums, or means here as you wish. You can include multiple risk models within a single risk project, and you can even create nested risk models, typical for cybersecurity or information security risks. For example, here we have the parent risk model, system cybersecurity, and the child risk model is based on confidentiality, integrity, and availability risk prioritization number. Once you have defined your risk model, it will automatically calculate the risk level or the risk score for all your risks based on your defined risk model. Once your risk model has been established, the next step will be to start building your own risk tables, otherwise known as risk registers. Risk Manager Plus uses a familiar Excel-like model, allowing you to create and update or manipulate your risks with inline editing, just like you would in a normal spreadsheet. Get started quickly with our numerous built-in templates. Our templates are based on common industry standards like FMEA, ISO, and NIST. But you can create your own fully customized multi-sheet risk tables. You can also link your risk register with Jira Assets to bring your assets into the risk register. All the risk management fields in the table are based on the model that you have assigned to this table to assure consistency throughout the project. Every risk in a table is a Jira issue, so you can ensure risk traceability by including links to all the necessary controls, requirements or tests or any other relevant risk item, all in one centralized, easy to navigate location. To further help manage your risks, Risk Manager Plus supports object registers. It's ideal for keeping a central repository of risk-related data like assets, controls, or hazards, so they can be managed across your organization while keeping the entire list up to date for every project. In here, for example, the threat source is coming from an object register. We can have different object registers as shown here for threat events, for 27001 assets, 27001 controls. All are embedded into the Risk Manager Plus app. You can link the object simply when you type the threat source here. You can also bring your assets here from Jira Assets. Just write down what it is that you want to add here. This way you can take full advantage of the powerful features that Jira has to offer. Finally, Risk Manager Plus provides a full suite of risk matrix, risk table, and risk history reporting, all easily accessible from your risk dashboard. You can review your project risks inside the risk model that you have set up, but more importantly, our risk dashboard provides full traceability of your risk coverage, allowing you to easily see which risks have been linked to which items such as assets and which risks have been covered by controls. This is crucial for any organization to ensure their ability to monitor the coverage between your risks and related items, but particularly for companies that need to adhere to 27001 requirements. If you use Confluence, you can extend Risk Manager Plus's reporting capabilities with our free Risk Manager for Confluence extension. This will allow you to bring powerful risk matrix, risk table, and risk history reporting macros directly into your documentation in Confluence, providing risk management insights across your entire organization. If you'd like to learn more about reporting in Confluence, drop us a note. I hope this overview has provided you with a good understanding of what the Risk Manager Plus app has to offer if your organization needs to start formally managing risks for the first time, or if you're coming from a standalone risk management tool and want to take full advantage of your Atlassian stack. Working in the tool your teams are using every day helps make risk management part of the company's daily activity rather than an annual fire drill, which can help everyone sleep better at night, not just the compliance team. Thank you for joining today, and if you would like to take a closer look at anything we've covered today or have specific questions about the risk management solution, visit us at softcomply.com to book a one-on-one call with our team of experts. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.